Across the country, millions of homes have a room exactly like this. A weekend repair stalls out, a contractor stops returning calls, and weeks turn into months. Homeowners often freeze, hesitant to hand over another deposit to a stranger who might ghost them. This project paralysis is what the swarm team is designed to break. Rather than a slow-moving general contracting firm, agile teams of independent micro-business owners hit the road to tackle stalled work immediately. The process begins when a homeowner submits a general distress call through the Jobber dispatch platform. The system broadcasts the project details to a vetted pool of local professionals who can claim the job and arrive the same day. This model bypasses the $20,000 upfront deposit. In its place is a flexible $55 an hour base rate, billed only for the time the tradesmen are actively working on the property. Once the call is accepted, a 2 to 3 person team coordinates their arrival. They operate like a rapid response trades warehouse, arriving with the tools and specialized skills needed for odd jobs and mid-project saves. By removing the financial risk of a massive upfront contract, the homeowner retains their budget, while the tradesman can get straight to work. The team executes what the platform calls a direct tackle. There are no lengthy in-person sales pitches. They evaluate the stalled repair, log the scope into their app, and start pulling gear from the truck. Work begins under the in-control rule. The homeowner provides the materials themselves. If a supply run is necessary, the team handles it on the clock at their standard hourly rate, using the homeowner's funds. The arrangement prevents hidden material markups that traditional contractors use to pad their profits. The budget stays in the homeowner's hands. To maintain transparency, the platform uses the jewelry protocol. Subcontractors capture time-stamped photos before the project starts, while working, and immediately after they finish. This photographic record serves as the verifiable proof of work required before the dispatch app issues a payment request. The system relies on these timestamps to verify progress, removing ambiguity about how a team spent their time on site. To cover travel and logistics for these independent professionals, the platform mandates a 1-hour minimum show-up fee per worker. If the team finishes a task in 20 minutes, they check the homeowner's list for other repairs. For the remainder of that hour, the crew belongs to the client. Once the first house is stabilized, the team moves to the next property. They might drive a new fence post or fix a leaning gate for a neighbor who's been putting off their own to-do list. These crews act as town servants, targeting a 4-hour sweet spot where they can knock out multiple small repairs across a single block without the overhead of major permits. Every faultless repair contributes to the subcontractor's internal rating. As they prove their reliability across dozens of jobs, they move through a tiered system that increases their hourly take-home pay. A single distress call for a stuck door often sets off a chain reaction. By sunset, a small crew has cleared out the neglected, stalled projects for an entire street. When the shift ends, the tradesmen walk the property with the homeowner to review the day's physical progress. Through the daily settle-up mechanic, the homeowner reviews the invoice on their phone. They pay only for the hours they agree were fairly earned that day, deciding for themselves if they want the team to return tomorrow. This visual shows the incentives for fast settlement. Same-day digital pay drops the rate to $49.50. For seniors and veterans, those savings stack, bringing the hourly cost down to $44. If a homeowner disagrees with the hours logged, the platform employs a final rule to protect the peace: smile and bless. The subcontractor does not argue. They accept whatever payment the client feels is fair for the day, professionally end the engagement, and leave the property. By combining daily financial transparency with homeowner control, the anxiety of home improvement is removed. Tradesmen are paid for their effort, and stalled neighborhoods are brought back to life.